Welcome to the world of slow and steady survival. These animals may not win a race, but they're experts at outsmarting predators and thriving in their environments. Let's dive into the top 10 slowest animals on land, their unique survival tactics, and the food they eat. The first animal we will talk about today is the three-toed sloth. It moves at a speed of 0.1 cm. That is quite slow, you will say, but they are still able to defend themselves through camouflage. Their fur hosts algae, blending them into trees. Sloths also move so slowly that predators often overlook them. They feed on leaves, twigs, and fruit from the canopy. Their low-energy diet matches their slow metabolism. Next is the giant tortoise. This animal moves at a speed of 0.19 mph. Their defense mechanism consists of their massive, hard shells protecting them from most predators. When threatened, they withdraw into their shells. They live on grass, fruits, and leafy greens. They're nature's peaceful grazers. Next is the banana slug. This slug species moves at a speed of 0.005 mph. Their defense mechanism comprises of their slimy mucus, but this not only makes them unappetizing to predators, but also contains toxins that deter would-be attackers. Their diet consists of decaying plant material, fungi, and animal droppings. They're nature's recyclers. We also have the koala on this list. It moves at a speed of 0.37 mph when moving on the ground. Koalas spend most of their lives in eucalyptus trees, where predators like dingoes can't reach them. They blend into the foliage. They feed on eucalyptus leaves, which are tough to digest, but provide enough nutrients for their low-energy lifestyle. Next is the starfish, also known as the sea star. The starfish moves at a speed of 0.04 mph on land if displaced from the ocean, which is quite rare. Their hard, spiny bodies and ability to regenerate limbs make them formidable despite their slowness. The starfish aren't land dwellers, but survive brief land excursions by eating mollusks and decaying organic matter when close to the shore. The Gila monster is next on the list. This animal moves at a speed of 1 mph. These venomous lizards use their toxic bites as a defense mechanism. Their bright coloring also warns predators to stay away. They feed on eggs, small birds, and mammals. They store fat in their tails to survive when food is scarce. The seventh animal on the list is the garden snail. They move at a speed of 0.03 mph. Their hard shells provide protection, and their slime helps them retreat quickly into hiding spots. They feed on plants, fruits, and vegetables. They are known to be a gardener's nightmare. Next is the manatee, also known as the sea cow. Their speed is at 3 mph in water, but extremely slow on land. Their defense mechanism is their massive size, which deters most predators, and they stay in shallow water where few threats exist. On land, they depend on their aquatic habitats for safety. They feed on seagrass and freshwater vegetation. Ninth on the list is the pygmy three-toed sloth. It moves at a speed of 0.1 mph. Similar to their larger cousins, pygmy sloths rely on camouflage and tree dwelling to avoid predators. They feed on red mangrove leaves from coastal forests. Lastly, we will look at the American woodcock. The American woodcock moves at approximately 0.8 mph. Their cryptic plumage blends perfectly with leaf litter, and they freeze motionless when threatened. This low animal feeds on worms and insects, which they locate using their specialized beak. Slow doesn't mean weak. These animals are proof that speed isn't the only way to survive in the wild. Their adaptations, from camo to toxins, keep them alive and thriving in their unique habitats. Comment below your favorite slow-moving animal and let us know if you've ever seen one in the wild. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content.